Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, October 21st, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ. Inverted H, wide state, inverted H. Inverted H, wide state, inverted H. Inverted H, wide state, inverted H.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half of our gains, and we're going to play this bar by bar. Impulse, correct, and we're expecting impulse back down. Let's turn down the transparency. And right there. All right, looking good. So we expect this to drop down to the 200 moving average on our 1 and 2 minute chart, and then we're going to see how it reacts off of the 21 moving average on our 5 minute chart as well. At this point, I expect the price to drop down to the 490, 475, maybe even to 490, 450. If it gets down to that level, we will just close out. So let's just see what happens.
Order filled.
And there's a $1.70 drop today, ladies and gentlemen. I believe this is going to retrace, and we'll get ready to go back down with the market. But as of right now, one trade took us less than about 10 minutes of time, all for $1.70. So as always, never forget, be a pro. Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, October 18th, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ. Inverted H, wide state, inverted H. Inverted H, wide state, oscillator agreement. V pattern, wide state, retesting off of an area resistance, oscillator agreement. This we expect to be a microwave trade, which means that we expect it to move quick, hit our dollar, roughly speaking. So we're going to play to the dollar, maybe down to the 21 moving average on our 1 minute chart. But this impulsed up that we're coming off of just cleared everything to the left. So that means that this is going to be short-lived to the downside, and it'll probably make new highs after it bounces roughly around the point of control, which is roughly speaking 493.75, 494 area.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to get ready to punch out right now.
Order filled.
And there's a $1.25 move, all within about 4 minutes of time. Nothing fancy, just a simple trade. Take it in, manage to $1, get out. Simple as that. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, never forget, be a pro.